Where's the ball? Is it next to the box or behind the box? Where's the ball? Is it on the box or in the box? In today's lesson, we will learn prepositions of location. I'm your teacher, Morgan. Let's start learning. Prepositions of place tell us the position or location of one thing in relation to another. Let's answer the question, where's the ball? Where's means where is. Where's the ball? It's behind the box. Where's the ball? It's in front of the box. Where's the ball? It's next to the box. Where's the ball? It's between the boxes. Where's the ball? It's near the box. Where's the ball? It's above the box. Where's the ball? It's below the box. Where's the ball? It's in the box. Where's the ball? It's on the box. Look at the picture. Complete the sentence with the correct preposition. Where's the cat? It's on the table. Where's the book? It's in the bag. Where's the man? He's behind the car. Where's the muffin? It's between the glasses. Where's the phone? It's near the vase. Where's the ball? It's next to the chair. Where's the clock? It's above the bed. Where's the spoon? It's below the plate. Where's the car? It's in front of the house.